What's up, everybody? It's your boy Lucas. I'm here at Blue Mountains. It's 2.5 hours away from the city in Sydney, and I'm here just because, it's my day off. And I was like, I don't want to be in a city. Like, I want to be somewhere else, green, like quiet and peace. So I'm here. This is Blue Mountain. It's 4:30 right now. Yeah, kind of late. I didn't even plan this, to be honest. I just woke up and then grabbed my camera and then left. It's actually my first time coming to this part of the mountains. I have been here before, like just one time, but it's such a beautiful place. There's a lot of tourists. I would recommend a lot you to come here, even though it's my first time. I'm already loving it. It's currently 4 p.m. right now, and I have no idea where I'm going. I'm literally following this trail. Oh, I found some people. Guys, seriously, Australia is so beautiful. I got to see so many things yet. Okay, look at this stair. Holy. Okay, how people do that? Like, how YouTubers that go to like mountains and hikings, whatever, like how they do content is so hard. Like, I'm literally having no breath. I hope I don't get lost, like literally, because I feel like I will get lost. Um, I'm just following people. Look how beautiful these rocks are. Like even the rock are so beautiful. Look at the colors, like orange, and there's some yellow. It's giving caramel color. Like I have no idea. Oops, shit. I have no idea how big this trail are. I think this is my favorite kind of day off so far. Like no people, no noise, just this. Holy motherfucker. So this is the Blue Mountains. I don't know why it's Blue Mountains. I might search later. Why is blue and it's all green and brown? Anyways. But look how beautiful. I like the way the sun is hitting the trees over there. And also over there. Oh my God. Well, I wish I could come here earlier, to be honest, because I would have more time. They have Skyway. Oh, over there. Oh, that's why. When you're just walking and people come and say hi, whatever. And I think that's so cool because, like, in my country, it's not common. Like in Japan, we would never say hi to a stranger. So I love that. Okay, I'm right here. We have waterfall here, and what is it? Oh, historical building. That's interesting. Where is it? Oh, this one. Waterfall. Waterfall. Oh my gosh. Hoo. I've been thinking about how I never stop. Like even on my day offs, I'm always editing, I'm always posting, I'm always planning something. But moments like this just reminds me about life. We got to see the world, we got to explore nature and just breathe. What amazing opportunity that we have. I forget how peace can be so simple. Like me sitting on this rock, watching this water, smelling the air, like the pure air, no noise, no people talking, no sounds of cars. This is a truly peace. It's funny how you can drive 2 hours and then feels like another planet. I needed to get out there because there was a big, like this big bee chasing me. And I was like freezing because, yo, if you have time or ways to go to nature, just go. Seriously, the air is gonna change your, oh, hello. It's gonna change your mood and your energy. You'll feel more alive. You know what I'm saying? Like, all right, guys, looks like this is the end of the trail, so I'm going back. I found a little restroom. Is this a real rock or no? No, I don't think so. Oh, there's some people over there, like repairing. I was thinking about watching the sunset because it's 5 p.m. right now, 5:30, and the sunset gonna set at 7. So yeah, I'm thinking about it. Should I stay here and watch the sunset? I think it's gonna be really worth it because the view is amazing. So I can imagine how beautiful. Oh shit! That was embarrassing. I didn't see this there. I'm focusing right now to remember the way back. Should be there. Look at this plant. It's so unique. Okay, I'm manifesting to live somewhere close to these kind of places where I can just take a walk in the morning or in the evening, and my view would be like this. Okay, but imagine meditating here or reading. How cool. Guess who lost the camera's lens? I mean, it was just tiny, so I knew it, I would lost. But I was not expecting today. So I'm here, hungry, and I was thinking, if you ever want like to order some Uber Eats, but using my example, like I'm here in the mountain, obviously no one's gonna come here just deliver your food. So I was thinking about, what about having a drone, like delivering the food from, the sky? Wouldn't it be amazing? Like, I don't know, the hungriness makes me think random thoughts and ideas. But I think it's a good idea though, having a drone to deliver your food. Like, imagine being inside the forest. How crazy it would be. All right, so the sun is setting. So this is the perfect way to end the video. I'm gonna leave you guys with the sunset. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.